This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a Chrysler 300 in neutral. Start by confirming the transmission type and making sure the vehicle is stationary with the parking brake set. For automatics, press the brake and move the shifter through gears until it clicks into neutral. For manuals, depress the clutch fully and move the lever gently to neutral while keeping the clutch engaged. Approach the automatic shifter calmly and keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal. If there is a shift-release button, press it as you move the lever from park or drive through the gears until it lands on neutral. Check the dash for the N indicator and confirm the car will coast when you ease the brake, then reapply the parking brake for safety. For manual transmissions, make sure the vehicle is stopped and your foot is on the clutch pedal. Move the gear lever into the neutral plane by feeling for the zone of free play between gears, and hold the clutch fully depressed while you position the lever. Slowly release the clutch to ensure the car remains in neutral and reapply the brake or parking brake as needed for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.